Hey, so if you're using HighLevel's live chat widget, you may have run into the issue where the guest name is populated guest, visitor, and a random collection of text. Now, I just want to show you how easy it is with ZappyChat to overwrite that with the lead's actual name if provided. So in here, if a lead comes in and says, hello, I've prompted my AI to gather name and email before booking an appointment. And so you can see we've got an AI response here. And I just want to show you how easy it is to set up ZappyChat to grab that name and overwrite it in the contact. So I'm going to come in here to my bot settings and I'm just going to add a simple goal. I'm going to choose the custom field type, put in name for my field name. I'm going to choose the contact full name and I'm going to say the contact's full name as provided by the contact. I just like to include as provided by the contact just to specify something that the contact says. It's probably redundant at this point, but that's how I like to prompt it. I'm going to toggle on the allow overwrite so that my bot can actually overwrite the conversation if needed. And so once I update that bot and head over here, I'm going to say my name's Andrew Hagan and my email is andrew@zappychat.com. So whether they respond directly to this question or at some other point in the conversation, maybe they persist in asking a question about pricing before that, no matter what point they offer up that information, because we have the goal for the contact name, it is going to overwrite the contact name and populate it with the information from that conversation. And so currently the AI is running in the background. I'm going to go ahead and hit refresh here. And as soon as the AI successfully runs a response, it will update the contact name accordingly so that we'll have the actual contact details in here, allowing it to potentially book a conversation, book a demo with the correct contact information. So you can see here already that it's loaded up with Andrew Hagan. It didn't populate the email since I didn't put the email goal in there, but it'll keep going and move on through the conversation so we can book a demo appointment for Wednesday at 3. But just to show you, if you wanted to add in the email goal as well, you do the exact same thing. So we do custom field type, email, select field type for contact email, and say the contact's email address as provided by the contact. And this one I'm not going to allow overwrite, though I guess you could either way. But that's as simple as it is to set up your AI to log that information if provided in the conversation. And so now actually, because I've added that goal, if I continue the conversation, it'll still review previous messages and it will likely populate that email. But I'll stop here just to show you how easy it is to have ZappyChat overwrite the guest visitor so that you're no longer talking to guest visitor, but you have the actual name and information in there.